N5 Basic Vocabulary Lesson 4 Okimasu, okimasu, wake up, get up. For example, 私は6時に起きます. I wake up at 6 a.m. 寝えます, sleep, go to bed. For example, 10時に寝ます. I sleep at 10 p.m. 働きます, to work. For example, 5時まで働きます. I work till 5 p.m. 休みます, take a rest. 勉強します, to study. For example, 明日勉強します. I will study tomorrow. 終わります, to finish. Department store, デパート. 銀行 bank, 郵便局 post office. 図書館 library, 美術館 art museum. 今 now. For example, 今何時ですか? What time is it now? 今何時ですか? What time is it now? 今 G o'clock. For example, 9時 9 o'clock, 1時 1 o'clock. G 分 or 分 minute. 半 half. 半何時 what time. 何時何分 what minute. 何分午前 AM. 午後 PM. 午後朝 morning. 朝昼 daytime or noon. 昼晩 or 夜 means nighttime or evening. 晩 or 夜おととい day before yesterday. おととい昨日 yesterday. 昨日今日 today. 今日明日 tomorrow. 明日明後日 day after tomorrow. 今朝 this morning. 今晩 this evening. 休み rest, holiday or day off. 昼休み lunch time. 試験 exam or test. 会議 meeting. 映画 film or movie. 毎朝毎晩 or 毎日毎朝 every morning, 毎晩 every night, 毎日 every day. The weekdays I'll upload in short video, Minnasan. から from からまで up to or until. と and と is used to connect two nouns. 大変ですね. That's tough, isn't it? It is used when expressing sympathy. 会話 conversation. 番号 number. 何番 what number. そちら your place. そちら So 皆さん見てくれてありがとう. Thanks for watching. またね. Bye bye.